What's up guys, welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. So I'm going to show you guys today how to make your own cryptocurrency in under 5 minutes. So on the Bep-20 network, so let's go ahead and do that. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to download MetaMask, chain RPC, or just say Smart Chain MetaMask. Click on that, okay. Click on connecting MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain, and then scroll down. Okay, here it is. Mainnet, this is the only one. Smart Chain. Okay, great. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is when you click on the top here, add network. So then it's gonna ask you for the network, right? I'm gonna copy all of this. Oops. I'm gonna paste everything here. Okay, so network name, 56 BNB, 56 BNB, and then BSC scan. Okay, so after you do that, then you create. But as you can see, I've already added my own custom one. Let me show you. Here's my smart chain. So I open my smart chain, then I can deposit BNB. Once you've deposited BNB, send BNB maybe from your Binance wallet to your MetaMask wallet. What you can do next is head over to JKL Patch on Etherblocks. He's a popular blockchain developer. I know him, he's very good, and we're gonna just go head over to his page. So JKL Patch /Etherblocks. That's his website's name as well. So then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to head over to token. No. What we're going to do here is we're going to head over to screencast and then look for 308 create Bep-20 token PSCC token.sol, and then take this, copy all of the contract. Okay, head back to MetaMask. You can just close it for now. Got a little one here on the side. Okay, now we're gonna go to remix.ethereum.org. It's IDE. Okay. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna now create a new file. Okay, so you take that code that you copied and you paste it over here. Okay. So then you change contract to Mr. Junior Dev, like I've done here. You change in the double quotes the string public name to Mr. Junior Dev, and then you give it a symbol, maybe MJD. Alright, then you go ahead, you select the compiler, which is 0.8.2, and the compiler defaults. And what you can go ahead and do is go ahead and compile. Then the next thing you do is select inject web3. It created the contract, and then when you select injected web3, it's going to open up your MetaMask wallet. It's open MetaMask wallet. Okay, so then you deploy, and I've deployed already. It's going to ask me for a certain amount of gas fees. You confirm, right, and that's it. Contracts deployed. As you can see, contract interaction, contract approved, contract interaction, add liquidity. Already added liquidity on PancakeSwap as well. So okay, the next thing, that's it, and let's move on. Over here you can actually send how much. If you head over to contracts, it's already been deployed, so that's it. Now that I'm connected, BNB, found, that's awesome. There's my coin. Okay, so there's my coin. Paste the coin, spend, GKN. Head over to KuCoin, BSC charts, and search for my coin. I most likely will find it right there. TKN, as you can see, BNB to BNB, and apparently it's up. Pre-sold, just a few. Okay, so you must always keep this contract with you. See this deployed contract. See you guys in the next video. Alright, thanks, peace out, cheers.